Good morning, everyone. Deep Chatterjee is again back with a revision with some good morning news. PM Narendra Modi to address UNGA general debate on Saturday. He is scheduled to address the United Nations General Assembly for the general debate as the first speaker in the forenoon of Saturday. He will speak in the 75th session of the General Assembly on September 26. The academic session 2020-21 for the first year students will commence from November 1, stated the University Grants Commission in its latest guidelines. UP Minister Nand Gopal Gupta found COVID positive, goes into home isolation. Kerala won the United Nations Integracy Task Force Award for its outstanding performance in controlling non-communicable diseases like cancer, heart attacks, chronic respiratory diseases, and diabetes. Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has announced sanctioning of 670 electric buses in Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, and Chandigarh under Phase 2 of the FAME India scheme. Former Atomic Energy Commission Chairman Dr. Shekhar Basu died at 65. RBI released cybersecurity vision framework for urban cooperative banks. The Apex Bank has taken 4 different guiding principles in order to formulate the framework. The Income Tax Department today has launched Faceless Income Tax Appeals. Under Faceless Appeals, all income tax appeals will be finalized in a faceless manner. Under the faceless ecosystem, with the exception of appeals relating to serious frauds, major tax evasion, sensitive and such matters, International Tax and Black Money Act. Surface to surface Prithvi second missile test fired at night in Odisha. Nuclear capable missile has a range of 350 km. Government allows state to spend 50% of disaster response fund to fight COVID-19. Farmers shouted slogans and blocked roads in several parts of the country Friday, protesting against the 3 agri-marketing bills passed away by Parliament. Political parties will now have to mandatorily publish details of candidates with pending criminal cases on party websites, social media platforms, and provided reasons for the selection so that the voters can make an informed choice. India has scaled a historic peak in the fight against COVID-19 with 14,92,419 tests conducted in the last 24 hours. The cumulative tests have touched nearly 7 crore. The country's coronavirus count now stands at 58 lakh, while the death toll has mounted to 92,000 of the total cases have been successfully treated, while 1 case has been migrated from the country. There are 9,70,000 active cases of COVID-19 in India. So friends, that is all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with some other refreshing news. Until then, stay safe, be safe. Please wear a mask while you go outside.